Dress Up Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Pugsley from Wednesday, so let's get started. To draw cute Pugsley, let's first start by drawing his eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. And I'm going to come right next to it, say about this wide, and draw another circle. So now that my two circles in, let's make them Draw So Cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights, and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. So now with my eyes in, I'm going to come above each eye and I'm going to draw a soft curve over the eye to anchor them. With Pugsley here, his eyes are kind of slanted downward. So I'm going to come about right here and I'm just going to draw a curve that goes up right over the eye and just pops out a tiny bit right here. So I'm just trying to give it a downwards curve. So same thing here, just a little bit over here, and then we just want to kind of bring down this slope. There, giving this puppy dog eyes. And then underneath each eye right here, I'm just going to very softly just draw a small curve right here, lightly, to anchor the eye again. Then from there, let's go ahead and draw his brow. So I'm going to come up about right here, and I'm going to draw a soft curve, kind of goes slants downwards as well, and just thicken it up a little bit. So same thing on the other side, about right here, and just slant it down and thicken it up. There. And then let's give him a sweet smile. So right about here, just going to give him a small little smile and cap it off. Then from there, let's go ahead and frame his face. So I'm going to come to the top of his eye about right here. Just give myself a point really close to the eyes in here as well. And I'm going to start to draw the bottom of a U. So I'm going to come around his eye, and same thing here. And I'm going to try to give him more of a jaw and a chin. So I'm going to say about right here, find my center and say about right here. I'm going to end it. And I'm going to come about right here, the space, and then angle it. So definitely turn your body if you need to. So same thing here. I just want to give him a little bit more of a jaw if I can, instead of making it very round. And about right here, I'm going to straighten out a little bit for a chin and just go ahead and connect. There. Very subtle. Not comfortable doing that, you can just go ahead and make it nice and round. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and we're going to, let's see here, just kind of imagine this big oval for his head. And so about right here, I'll give myself a point and I'm going to bring a curve down to connect. And then I'm going to bring this part. So this is kind of where his hair is going to part. So I'm going to use this as my guide. I'm going to go up right here, go nice and high, and I'm going to bring this down for his hair. So he has this very distinct hairstyle. We're going to bring it, we're going to curve it a little bit about right here, and then we're going to hit his brow. Come down, hit his brow, go up a little bit, and then we're just going to finish it off right here. There. And then come back into this space because he went up. We're going to just continue this curve for his hairline. There. And then let's see, let's come back to this area right here where it parts. just a little bit of a line, and then we're going to bring this down, just pop it out, and we're just going to bring it down to about here in the center of the eye. We'll bring it down, pop it out, and then just tuck it in. So we're going to do the same thing on the other side. I'm just going to give myself a point so I know where I'm going. We're going to bring this up. So I start to draw this other side of his hair, and I'm going to bring it around. And kind of start to slant down a little bit. And let's see here. So we're going to pop it out and then bring it in. So about right here, we're going to bring it into this point. There. So hopefully I've captured his hairstyle. And then in this space is where we're going to tuck in his ear. So just draw a curve right here. And same thing on the other side. And you see some details. So I'm just going to draw a curve right here for detailing his ear. And so hopefully I've captured his look. Make this a little bit bigger, higher. Okay, so now that we have his face in, let's go ahead and draw his body. So we're going to come to the center about here and here and give him a neck. Just a little bit, and then we're going to bring it down. Nice wide shoulders. Same thing over here. And about right here, we're going to round it off. Give more definition to his neck. And then let's come back about right here. We're going to cut it off for his neckline for his sweater. Draw another curve just for some detail. I'm going to bring this down. And then let's just kind of imagine, say about right here. I'm going to give myself 2 points for his armpit area, just approximate. And then we're just going to bring down a line. Then let's just go back up right here and connect into the curved area for some detail on his sweater. So go up and connect, and then let's just bring this down. And let's say about right here. I'm going to stop and then just go ahead and just draw a slight wave all the way across. And then I'll come in here and draw another curve for some detail. There. And then we come down in the center, find your center, and about right here, we're going to cut it off at a slight angle. And then this is where his legs are going to start, right in the center. And we're going to draw his cropped pants. So just going to draw 2 angles, and then we're going to come back here and here, and we're going to start his legs. So let's come in and we're going to flare them out a little bit to about right there. And then this is going to flare out as well, just a little bit to about right here, and then let's just go ahead and cut it off. So same thing on this side. Just flare it out a tiny bit and then cut it off. There. And just come back in here, a line for some detail, and then we're going to draw his legs. So I'm having him kind of stand apart. So on this side right here, I'm going to give a slight angle and a slight angle right here, and then let's cut it off for his shoes. So we're going to bring this out, curve, and then down. And this part's going to be a little bit straighter, and we're going to angle this a little bit and then connect. So same thing on this side. So about right here, we're going to angle just like the other side. Come come right here, I'm going to pop it out, and at a slight angle, bring it in and connect. Then for some details, we're going to come back here, give him a little sock here, and then some details on his shoes. And draw the sole, and come here for a curve, and then the inside, the top part. So notice there's more space on this side, and then we're just going to draw some curves. So same thing on this side. There, so we have his shoes in, and then from there we can go ahead and finally draw his arms. So just down and nice and simple to his sides, and we're going to bring them down. His hands are going to be about right here, so just keep that in mind. And let's see here, about right here, we're going to use this. Just bring it in a little bit, and then we're going to draw a cuff and connect. And then his hands, a thumb, and go around for the fingers. So same thing on this side. So that's pretty much it for the drawing part. And I'm going to come in here because he has all these stripes on his sweater. I kind of wanted to show you how to draw the stripes, and so I'm just going to come in with a gray marker rather than the black. I think it's more of a dark gray rather than the black. So I'm just going to go ahead and quickly draw in these stripes. So there, that is pretty much it for his stripes. I will come back in here and make these a little bit darker, but I just wanted to show you when you're drawing the stripes, you can just give it a little bit more of a curve to give his body a little bit more dimension rather than just going straight across. And also for the sleeves right here, you can just kind of curve them a little bit just to give it more volume. But that is pretty much it here for my drawing of Pugsley from Wednesday. I really hope I helped you draw him fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.